feather, well, they flock together. But what about hungry wolves? The wolves, why, they travel in packs, looking out just for themselves. Be wary, child, watch out for the wolves. False shepherds have released them among you. They will devour all that you are. You'll no longer know what's true. They'll twist and they'll turn, soften God's word. They'll change its meaning for their profit. They'll rob you blind if you're so inclined, if you won't listen to God's true prophets. The watchmen will warn, despite much scorn. They'll stand on the wall and cry aloud. If you won't listen, you'll be devoured. Alas, many of God's sheep are too proud. Birds of a feather, often flock together. But what about hungry wolves? Wolves, why, they travel in packs, looking out for themselves. Birds of a feather flock together. What about hungry wolves? Wolves travel in packs, looking out for themselves, looking out for themselves.